Fucking hell, I'm on a bus. Fucking hell. He's a walking box of chips. Let me get a picture. On a walkway, I am walking on a walkway, and the rest of them are walking on a walkway, because walkways are cool. After the Liverpool-Middlesbrough match last night, which ended in penalties, the final score was 14-13. Kenny, I nearly met Pat Kenny. He doesn't want to meet Pat Kenny. I want to meet Pat Kenny. What can I talk to Pat Kenny? Jesus Christ, it's Anne Phelan. The Minister for Rural Development, Anne Phelan. Fucking hell. Fucking hell, mate. I'm my Anne Phelan. The Minister for Rural Development. Fucking hell, all from Labour.
Where are we going now?
Fuck. Holy crap, it's the Aldi logo on a hedge. Jack, dance properly. Oh my fucking god, Kieran's got popcorn.
I like it.
You've got popcorn, boy. Let's have a look at your popcorn. Tastes like shit.
Stop eating it then.
You smell like piss. Thanks to the good people that haven't more, we have free milk. Free milk. Free milk. Do you like milk, Arno? No. Do you like milk, Jack? Yes. Yes. I certainly like my milk. Milk. Free milk. Because I went back for 7 servings of milk. They told me they'd give me coupons if I left them alone. So I got coupons. There's a coupon in here. You see, I annoyed them so much, so, you know.
Guys, no more stuff.
It's really nice milk.
Guys.
Lads, this is Jamie. Say hello, Jamie.
Wait.
What's the crack with you, Jamie?
Hang in the middle of the arse cheeks.
Right, and there's Jack.
That's not Jack, that's the big man.
The boogeyman. The man from Saw. And we're about to get a tractor ride.
Did you just say I'm the guy
because
from
it's
Scott?
the fun thing to do.
Did you just say I'm the guy from Scott?
Ladies and gentlemen, that brings me to the end of my ploughing vlog. There's Jack.
Yeah, I'm lying too. You know that's gonna like.
His YouTube name is JRYN10, so you know, go, or 9. 9, yeah. So go subscribe to him. There's Dylan.
I'm ready for you.
Being a weirdo.
Okay.
I got coupons for protein milk, which was pretty cool. And I think I had an enjoyable day. So, you know, please subscribe, leave a like, whatever you want to do. For the love of God, watch and share this. I need views desperately, people, or I'm going to die.
Shit, my hair's blonde.